I'm here 1997 to 2005, and after that I got selected in government. So this time I am in government teacher, and but in JCs I have learned a lot of things here, how to teach, how मतलब many things. Not only I can't say अभी भी जहाँ मैं वर्क कर रही हूँ मतलब वहाँ पर भी अगर मैं एक चीज़ बोलूँ तो मैं यहाँ पर अभी मैं जेन एक्स हूँ एंड मतलब जेन एक्स से लेकर अभी जनजीस आप कह सकते हो इतना सफ़र मतलब तय करा है और डिफरेंट और हर एक के डिफरेंट कलर्स हैं और डिफरेंट कलर्स और यू नो वेरी वेल रेनबो यस राइट रेनबो में डिफरेंट कलर्स होते हैं और जेसीस के लिए मैं रियली मतलब इस बात को बोलूँगी कि उसने डिफरेंट कलर्स मतलब जेन एक्स से लेकर जेन जीस तक के डिफरेंट कलर्स को उन्होंने एक साथ यहाँ पर करा और एक रेनबो कंप्लीट करा है एंड आई होप कि वो आगे भी ऐसे ही करते रहेंगे और मार्वलस जेसीस का तो अपना ही एक नेम है फेम है बहुत कुछ लर्न किया है थैंक यू
Very glad I got this opportunity to come here to be with my previous staff. It was a wonderful occasion. Of course, this is the 40th foundation day of JCs, and JCs is a brand, honestly speaking. During my working days, I did a lot, I learned a lot. All those memories today, this time when I'm attending this function, and all those memories, you know, it is recalling in my mind and I'm cherishing. Honestly, I'm really overwhelmed this time. And if I talk about the work experience, it was marvelous. JCs itself is a brand and it made me a brand, honestly. I would definitely appreciate the efforts and the support given by the management and the teachers and all those functions that we also organized over here, all those you know, games we played, all those things we did together, the classrooms, the lectures, I still remember all those things. Thank you so much, and I'm wishing all the, you know, the best years ahead yet to come. Thank you.
2010 pass out of JC's public school, and after 15 years when I stepped inside the same corridors and same building, nostalgia hit me so hard that this is the place where I used to stand for assembly, and being called on the stage randomly by our principal sir, respected Nanwal ji, our feet used to stammer because we were used to be randomly called for thought of the day. But now after 15 years, when we are entering the school, this is the change you all can see, and everything that we have learned from JC's public school, our beloved teacher, our most respected principal sir, and the soil of the school has given us so many memories. Whatever I am today, I thank each one of you all, this school, and a very happy 40th foundation day to JC's public school. 3 cheers for our beloved school. We'll always have these memories as the best memories of our life. Thank you so much.
Actually, I cannot express my words. The moment I was invited here, I was simply puffed with joy that I would be meeting my old colleagues and students and the college and the building itself. I wanted to feel every corner, every inch of this building. I spent the best of my life here. Actually, I'm working in a government sector. I'm in college, but the moment I left it, the pleasure and then the overwhelming feeling, then the moments we shared here, they were all missing. The kind of legacy this school had always had with me. So the people means the best of people I met here, best of friends I met here, and then the kind of teaching that I worked on myself, and then that empowered me to become what I am right now. So I greatly owe to this school and then all the people out there. So because of all these people, I simply felt like coming here. So the love, the feeling of this school just simply dragged me here. I could not withhold myself.
Not in terms of academic, but in sports and all-round development of a child. And in Rudrapur till date, I believe that it is the best school and it will remain best.
Thank you so much.
And moreover, I want to add one more thing, that if anyone of a Rudrapur family, anyone from Rudrapur family wants that his child must excel in any field of either in sports or in academics, he must believe on JCs, and as JCs is one of the best and its teachers are that much supporting that they treat their student as their own kids and help him to nurture the talent, and not here in school premises. It is like a lifelong insurance policy. जीवन के साथ भी, जीवन के बाद भी.
Thank you so much. Share my experience little bit. In JCs, it was not only my job, but I can say that I have learned so many things here, not only in academics, in my personal life also. And I wish for JCs that it should reach on the top and should get more and more success in the upcoming years. Thank you so much.
Actually, I have worked here only for 1 year, but I remember these things I have worked throughout the life, and whatever I have learned from this school, I never forget these things, because the trend of this school, although this school is situated in such places where most of them are not belonging from the Sanatani family, but here whatever the work is starting, they are using the Shankh or Shankhnad. जिस स्कूल में शंख से कोई चीज़ की शुरुआत होती है, उस स्कूल की अचीवमेंट कहाँ तक हो सकती है, we can't express these things. And really, and this school having the milestone, and they have reached above the milestone. I hope in future, whatever and whenever we will get time, again we will join here. Thank you.
आज मैम मुझे आके ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि जब मैं यहाँ पे जॉब कर रहा था वही फील हो रहा है मुझे, वही मुझे सब टीचर्स मिले हैं और ऐसा लगा है कि मैं अभी भी यहीं जॉब कर रहा हूँ. मुझे ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मैं जैसे यहाँ चला गया हूँ.
Rather a teamwork where we learned a lot of things, and especially in the guidance of Shri Surjit sir and Sir Sudhanshu Pant, which gives us a lot of inspiration that how positively we could foster the spirit of work that gives you a vibrant culture for your workplace.
We were the student, so it has been a wonderful journey for me. I passed out in 2003. Now I wanted to wish my school to grow further, better. I met my old classmates here, all my teachers, and I'm so happy to be here.
That how to groom your personality, how to mix up with the kids, and you learned, and the kids are also giving you a lot of messages. I'll just say in simple words that I want to see the students to bring the laureates to the school.
Feeling very happy. It was wonderful working here. And today I'm very happy and excited to meet my colleagues, old colleagues, students. They have grown up so much that I can't even recognize them, and they are holding a big positions also. So JC is always in excellence, and it will keep on giving excellence to the students and keep rising. And under the guidance of Nainwal sir, Surjit sir, I have learnt a lot from here also. And one thing more I want to say, as long as we have memories, yesterday remains. As long as we have hope, tomorrow waits. And as long it's celebration, today is beautiful. So today is a very beautiful day for all of us. Thank you.
एक्चुअली मेरा जर्नी यहाँ से शुरू हुआ था. कॉलेज के बाद मेरा फर्स्ट जॉब यही जेसिस में था. तो मैंने जो भी टीचिंग सीखा है वो जेसिस से ही सीखा है, और यहाँ पे काफ़ी लंबा टाइम बच्चों के साथ इंगेज रहा. तो और मेरे टाइम में ही मतलब फ़र्स्ट टाइम फाइन आर्ट्स भी शुरू हुआ यहाँ पे. फाइन आर्ट्स मतलब 12th में फाइन आर्ट्स मेरे टाइम से शुरू हुआ था. तो काफ़ी मोटिवेशन मिला मुझे यहाँ पे बच्चों के थ्रू भी, और सुरजीत सर की तरफ से भी उन्होंने काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया कि एक फ्रीडम दिया कि आप अपना फ्रीडम के अकॉर्डिंग अपना वर्क कर सकते हैं, एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं. और एक टीचर के लिए मुझे लगता है कि जितना फ्रीडम मिलेगा टीचर उतना ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर कर पाएगा, और टीचर एक्सप्लोर कर पाएगा तो बच्चे भी एक्सप्लोर कर पाएंगे. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Joined this school 1989. First batch they pass out from our school, that was Bobby Ahuja, Anurag Jain, 10th class. They are the topper, and both of they qualified for the IIT, Anurag Jain. And moreover, that is very good for the quizzing, debate, all-rounder, sports. So and afterwards another was Nikhil Gupta. Nikhil Gupta, that is a very good child. He 2 times he qualified for Bonvita, which contest we gone there in Bombay for shooting. Up to semi-final we reached there. And then his sister is also Nidhi Gupta. She also qualified for the Bonvita, and he He was the highest scorer in class 10th. Proper. That is the matter.
So, what changes are you seeing after so long time in the school?
This is the big change there. Now, time to time, you invite us for this annual function, sports day, or such this programs like. So that is a good progress is there. Moreover, we see the result of the school. That is also very good. Co-curricular activities, time to time we see.
The best teacher was here for me. The Simran ma'am was there. She taught me very simple things, that how to teach and how to experience the things. That's all.